In this tutorial I'm going to show you a popcorn stitch using 5 double crochets that are assigned. This is usually assigned in a pattern to tell you how many times you need to do that. So in the stitch that it's gonna tell you to go into, I'm just gonna go right here. We're gonna put 5 double crochets as normal. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Once you're satisfied with that, drop the loop and come to the first one of the grouping of 5. Come from the top of the first one, go towards the back, grab the loop and pull through, and then that makes the pop comes towards you. Let's show you again. So I'm gonna come over here. So 5 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Drop it and come from the front and pick up the loop and come back. So you can see that the pops are towards you. So this is considered as the right side popcorn. It's always considered the right side unless it tells you otherwise. It just will say popcorn, it won't say right side. But if there's ever a wrong side popcorn defined in your pattern, you will still do U5, but instead of coming from the front to the back, you're gonna come from the back and then grab the loop and pull, and look at the difference. This one is now jumping towards the back of the project. So you may have to consider that when you're doing these projects on where you want these bumps to appear, or the popcorns if you want them done. If this was the good side of your project, you may want the popcorns to be on this side of the project, but if the other side is the good side and you're crocheting in this fashion, you may want to do the wrong side to keep the popcorn on the side that you wish. So this would be how you do 5 double crochets using the popcorn stitch.